I don't think she unpaused it. I think she didn't call
Are you going to put some more in there?
What?
Come on, stick.
Let me see yours now.
Okay, guys. Okay, right now, this is going to get sticky a little.
Yeah, it's kind of getting sticky now.
I hear that crunch.
Oh, that feels so nice.
We shouldn't have got bowls, guys, because it can make it more crunchy.
Actually, I'm going to call this slime Fluffy Cloud Sparkle Slime.
I'm going to call mine Cloud Slime. Because it's named Cloud Slime.
What?
It's named Cloud Slime. We're making Cloud Slime.
No, we're making Fluffy Slime.
And we're making
Fluffy like a cloud.
Fluffy Cloud. I'm going to name this Fluffy Cloud.
Well, every cloud's fluffy.
This is Fluffy.
Oh my gosh, that looks really fluffy and big.
Pretty bigger than mine. Look how small mine is.
Wait, no, grab some more.
Wait, Grandma, you remember you're just going to make mine purple?
And hello, JoJo Siwa out there.
guys.
You're watching
We need
us.
to mix these two together.
And if JoJo Siwa's watching us, please comment down below, JoJo Siwa, if you're watching us, please. Everyone that watches this video, please,
Add your comments.
comment down below, because we never had someone comment down below before to us. And please, 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 because there's this Wolf Quest named Anniversary.
Oh, a girl said come on down.
There's this Wolf Quest game that's called Wolf Quest Anniversary, and I want to buy it. So please, guys, if a lot of people subscribes to you, that means you get money, and you can buy that game. And I really want to buy that game. It's my favorite game in the world, even if I haven't played it before.
Oh, guys. Look at my two slime.
And there's this Nether Wolf Quest. And there's this Nether Wolf Quest I have, and it's really fun too. But I'm kind of getting sick of it because I play it all the time, like all the time.
Well, good.
I'm distracted by the TV. I know.
I thought you were going to mix these
And
two
guys,
together.
if you watch us, do
Okay,
not
watch.
watch, and do not. If you watch us, do not watch us too much, or you'll get brainwashed. Do not watch any TV.
Guys, it's about to make mine.
Don't watch any TV a lot, because they'll brainwash you.
Guys.
And you can be bad when you get older.
Yeah, it cannot go away.
But you can watch us sometimes, a little bit.
That's right. Can you mix these two
Like
together?
I would probably do it like every. I would watch TV once a day.
Like,
Every 15 minutes. That seems good.
Are you going to mix the two together?
Oh, guys,
Let's see what
you
colors-
have to see this song. You have to see it. It's really good.
We're not allowed to do that. Look. Mix them together.
okay, guys, it's time for mine to make the purple slime. Look, Blakely.
Okay, guys.
Ready?
Are we going to mix it?
Yeah, it's going to make purple.
I want to mix it too.
No, me.
Oh, no. I don't. Play yours.
No, then I'll place yours.
No, fine. I want to do it.
I can't wait. Guys, I love making. I never make
Hey,
purple
guys.
with
Want to see my slime rope?
This slime
Oh my
is
God.
kind of weird. Excuse me.
Can you imagine if we just puke out slime and then we play with it? That's
Hey, it's turning.
Look, it's turning, Blakely.
I want to try
I
to do
see
the bubble.
purple.
I want to try to do the bubble.
Guys, do you see that little bit of purple? But I see some. I see a little bit of purple. Okay, guys. I feel like it's turning into ink.
Now I can have a slime plate.
Purple! Purple!
Okay.
Okay, guys, it's turning in purple.
I wonder if my mom's gonna watch me. She does not know we're doing videos right now. I'm trying to make a bubble. Okay. Okay.
Okay, guys.
How old are you, Nyxon?
5.
So I'm Nyxon at 5.
I'm Blakely and I'm 7.
That's right.
So I'm 2 years away from her.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna put this inside.
No, do not work.
Cause look, do you like it?
Oh, how does people do bubble slimes? Wait, no,
Yeah.
slime bubbles. Yeah, how do they do slime bubbles?
Do they do it with Fluffy?
You can do it with Fluffy, I'm pretty sure. Come on. I know how to do it, but it's just not working.
Guys, look at that purple slime.
Beautiful.
Look at my purple slime. And the bees. Can you give me more bees? Beads. I mean.